Good evening. This is a very special evening, an incredible, historic moment. It's an honor to be in Washington, D.C., among so many friends. A beautiful room filled with a great energy, intellect, and love. Connectivity through advanced technology is changing our world. We are closer than ever because we are connected. Over live stream, our friends are able to join us here in DC from satellite theaters across the nation. So here is a warm welcome to my guests in New York City. Hello, Boston, Philadelphia, Miami, Orlando, and everyone in Palm Beach. It's a pleasure to be with the great people of Texas, in Austin, Dallas, and Houston. To everyone joining us in the Motor City, Detroit. Hello, LA, OC, San Francisco, and San Diego. I'm sure everyone in Nashville is having a lovely time already. Welcome Kansas City, Phoenix, Arizona, Denver, Salt Lake, and Chicago. Las Vegas. My film is about to begin. Hello, America. Stories endure. They make us more human. Stories embolden individuals, inspire legendary achievements, and build empires. They define who leads. It is, however, the untold story which carries the great significance. I authored the story you're about to experience with purpose, the charm of laughter, the tenderness of transparency, and determination to break new ground. Some have called this a documentary. It is not. My film is a very deliberate act of authorship, inviting you to witness events and emotions through a window of rich imagery. It is a created experience that offers perspectives, insights, and moments that only few have seen. Here, honor, pride, and truth are revealed, not through narration, but through genuine discovery. It is purposeful storytelling. You are part of this journey now. Our story will live on for generations, forever. Creating a film and launching a global marketing campaign is not easy feat. I'm fortunate to be surrounded by a visionary team. First, I would like to thank my husband, America's director, Donald Trump. Thank you for providing our family with a life filled with experiences that only one could imagine. To my son Baron, my sister Ines, my father Victor Knaus, and my mother, who is watching down from heaven, your love is the powerful force that propels me forward. Amazon's team has been inspired from day one, and they continue to work around the clock to bring Melania to families across the globe. I applaud your team's dedication to great filmmaking. Brett Ratner, my director, has used his superior talent to redefine the genre of the documentary. He shaped a film with courage and care, one which will continue with generations. You capture our history. Fernando Sulcin, my producer. This movie carries such intention and heart. Congratulations. Your work on Melania will continue to resonate beyond tonight. Mark Beckman. I remember the moment we shaped this groundbreaking idea. Over the years, our collaboration has produced a remarkable body of work, and this achievement stands as a defining milestone among them. And finally, to everyone else here and in theaters across the country on this historic evening, I cherish you. It's an honor to be together for the world premiere of Melania. Enjoy.